Toronto. Videsh Indian News Channel. We are telling about the things internationally where is right now this travel related that might be useful for Indians who are closing and the doors are closing. The I am going closed spaces for people to sit in. Subdue that. And when I am sitting here, it is absolutely smooth. You don't even come to know how to run. Also smooth. See how smooth.
Are mandatory. At Go Transit, safety never stops. That's on the
Conduct, it was written are there on the railway station, and then you will
on Friday, November 27th, enter 7 p.m. until the end of
the train is approaching.